Hi, this is Graham Bibby here from InstantStockResults.com, and it is the 6th of July 2013, and there seems to be some really good news from last night's market action. Right in front of us now we have the S&P 500, which I'm just going to enlarge slightly, and we can see here this is a downtrend angle, this circle, and we've actually broken up through that to the upside. So we're getting a breakout on the markets, which is very exciting because we've been going through over a month of correction, almost 5 to 6 weeks, even though a lot of our stocks have held up and done very well. The Dow Jones Industrial has yet to break up through that angle. Here's the angle here. But this point here where this arrow is on the right, that was the bottom, and that bottom's higher than this bottom, and this top's higher. So I'm going to go with the direction of the S&P 500 as leading the market, because I also see a number of our very good high earnings growth companies with low PE ratios breaking out to the upside. So this is a great opportunity to start investing in the markets. Now, this is not an exact science when you put angles, so I just want to show you here in real time this circle here. I just want to delete this for a second, because if I place another angle on, which is basically telling us supply and demand, and if I put it across those tops, you can see we've broken out to the upside. So the Nasdaq is confirming it, and I have some great buys. But before I get on to the buys, and I don't want to keep you too long, I want to show you one of my favorite stocks, Visa. Wow, we bought this stock at 80. It's now 190.79, up 2% last night. Now just think about this. The banking industry is getting its money for free. If you put your money in the bank, you get little or no interest. As far as I'm aware, Visa Card have not cut their interest rates down to represent where interest rates are. I think they charge somewhere in the region of 19%. So what a great business. It continues to hit new highs, as does MasterCard and a whole heap of other stocks for us that look very, very good. I'm conscious of the time, so I just want to show you some new buys that we've got this week, today. This is Holbeck Offshore Services, oil and gas, and it's just broken out to the upside, so that is a buy signal. That's looking very, very good. Okay, we go on to Cooper Companies. It's the medical instruments and supplies business. Again, it's broken out from here to the upside. It didn't correct. It corrected a little bit here just a few weeks ago, but it didn't really correct over that 5 or 6 weeks through June, and it's looking really, really good. Now, some of you would have heard of this company. I think it's quite famous, Nu Skin. Nu Skin, multi-level marketing type company, and it's hit a new high. So again, it really went sideways through the correction phase, breaking out to the upside. That tells me this company has got underlying strength. So that's really good. Okay, let's go on because we don't have a lot of time. This is Bristol Group Air Services. Again, you know, it had a little sideways movement. It appears it's breaking to the upside out of all of this. And if you have a sideways movement like this in October, November, you normally get a strong move to the upside. So that's great. Stop loss just below 65. It was up 2% last night. So that's another one we want to put onto the list. And some of my other clients have this stock, and it's just given another buy. This is Blooming Brands Restaurants, believe it or not. Hit a new high, breakout to the upside, up 1.56, looking absolutely fantastic. So, you know, this one here, Gilead Sciences, it reversed its trend in June, but that's broken out to the upside as well. That's another buy signal. So there's lots and lots of great stocks out there. This is the ones we're going to add to the portfolio. The portfolio itself, all the holdings in it are looking great. Let's look here. Lionsgate, you'll know about. That's hitting a new high. The buy was at 16 at the beginning of the year. It's just below 31. So by next week, it could be up 100% in 6 months. So if you're not using instantstockresults.com service, I think you need to do so very, very quickly, because the next move is on. So for all of you out there, have a great weekend, and I look forward to speaking to you again this time next week.